Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code CE-30005-8 on your PlayStation 4. First, let's try some simple steps. Begin by fully restarting your console. If you're playing a disc game, carefully eject it and then reinsert it. Next, navigate to your system settings to check for any available software updates and install them. Finally, make sure the specific game application you are trying to run is also completely updated. These initial checks often resolve minor glitches. If the initial steps don't work, rebuilding your console's database is often the next effective solution. To do this, first power off your PlayStation 4 completely. Then, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep, which will put your console into safe mode. From the Safe Mode menu, select option number 5, Rebuild Database. This process reorganizes your hard drive and can resolve many common errors, typically taking anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Sometimes, error CE-30005-8 points to a more serious hardware problem, specifically with your console's internal hard drive. If you suspect this, it's crucial to back up any important game saves or data immediately. You might need to consider replacing the hard drive entirely. Compatible drives are typically 2.5 inches in size and operate at 5,400 RPM. Replacing it can be a straightforward process, but ensure you follow official guides carefully to avoid further issues. As a final troubleshooting step, you might need to reinstall your PlayStation 4's system software. Be aware that this will erase all data on your console, so ensure you have backed up everything important beforehand. You'll need to download the latest system software from the official PlayStation website onto a USB drive, then install it via Safe Mode. If, after all these steps, the error still persists, it's best to contact PlayStation support directly for professional assistance and potential repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.